Next one here from Love CO2 Minnesota. Hey Curtis, I have a paper pot transplanter unit and plan to use it to get a jump start on flowers for predator insect beneficials. Neat. Compact sunflower, zinnia, placelia, and asilium and dill. I would also like to use it to start beets, kohlrabi, and onions. For the beets, I remember a video you did down on Ray Tyler's farm, and I also heard other scuttlebutt around paper constricting the beetroot. Oh, okay. Question is it a minor cosmetic concern? Maybe harvest before they get really big. Most beets will be donated to the regional food bank, so maybe I shouldn't be in such a tizzy. Yeah, who cares? To just be really straight up to the point, who cares? If there's no cosmetic utility to those beets, who cares? As far as other people listening that might want to avoid that problem, because it is a problem with beets for sure. The easier way to do it is to go to a single germ beet seed. So that is a beet seed, a raw beet seed actually has like 3 or 4 seeds in it. It's kind of like a little fruit, and but there's companies that will kind of slightly what's the right term, macerate that beet seed to separate the single seeds, and then they'll put those seeds into a little clay pelleted seed called a single germ seed. The best way I've seen to get really nice beets in the paper pot is to do single germ, either in a 2-inch or 4-inch pot, depending on how. If you want big beets, go to a 4-inch pot, right, like that, and then you can grow 2 nice big beets, and they won't get all lanky like the other ones. Because if you do a multi-germ beet seed, even in a 4-inch chain pot, unless you're harvesting them really early and going for like a premium baby-sized beet, they'll do that. They'll get that sort of misshapen. They almost look like a cylinder beet, actually. That's what they'll do. But you can solve that problem if you need to. If you're giving that product away, though, who cares what they look like? But thanks for your question there.